Case study: processed food. Instant coffee. In this case study we will review 3 types of instant coffee and 1 coffee in the can. It is nice and easy to simply add some hot water to a premix or simply open a can of cool coffee on hot days. As in the previous studies, we will look at some general information like price, quantity, and price per serving and per 100 grams, and at the ingredients list, so that we can investigate. How many ingredients are in the drink? What is the first one on the list? What kind? Are they free of additives? And are the ingredients easy to read? We will further analyze the nutrition information, the sugar, sodium, and MSG content, the kilocalorie per 100 grams, and the indicated serving size, etc. In the summary we will also evaluate some more details. Let's see what is in our cup of coffee. General information. Let's have a look at our coffee candidates in detail. The product numbers 1 and 2 are instant coffee without sugar, the product number 3 is a 3-in-1 instant coffee, and the last is a coffee in the can with milk and sugar. Their prices per product range between 3 Malaysian ringgit and 17.99. The large discrepancy comes from the different number of servings. Product number 1 contains 20 servings, product number 2, 50 servings, product number 3 has 25 servings, and the 4th is just 1 serving. The price per serving ranges between 32 cents and 3 Malaysian ringgit, making the 4th option almost 10 times more expensive. The other 3 options are all in a similar price range. Let's see what is in them. Ingredients. These are the shots of the ingredients of our instant coffee. Look at them quickly. Are they easy to read? Can you understand them? Look at the contrast of the font to the background color. The ingredients are easy to read in products 1, 2, and 3. Product 4 is almost impossible to read. The contrast of color and the size of the font does not allow the consumer to make an informed decision. Let's look at the first ingredient on the list. Product 1 contains roasted coffee beans, product 2 contains soluble solids of pure coffee, and products 3 and 4 have sugar as a first ingredient. Did we want to buy coffee or sugar? Would you have expected to see sugar as a first ingredient in any of them? How many ingredients are included and are they free from additives and MSG? The first 2 products are free from MSG and additives. The number of ingredients is only 1 in product 2, we have 4 ingredients in product 1, 7 in product 3, and at least 11 ingredients in product 4, but they are almost impossible to read. Which coffee would you choose? Nutrition information. Here are the shots of the nutrition facts of our coffee. Some were not easy to take due to the type of materials that reflect the light. Is the nutrition information easy to read and complete? In all 4 products the nutrition information is easy to read and complete. How many kilocalories, how much sugar and sodium per serving, are in our cups of coffee? The calories per serving are between 6 and more than 80 for products 3 and 4. If you drink 3 coffees a day with those options, you will have consumed almost a meal in terms of kilocalories. The total sugar per serving is 2.6 for product 1, 0.5 for product 2, 10 for product 3, and 11.1 for product 4. Products 1 and 3 contain a bit of sodium, less than 2% of what we should consume as a maximum. How much sugar is provided by 1 serving in percentage to the recommended maximum daily sugar intake of 30 grams? Products 1 and 2 provide 9% and 2% of the maximum recommended daily sugar intake, respectively. A bit of sugar is needed for roasting, but for something that claims to have no sugar, it is still a bit too high. With 1 serving of products 3 or 4, you can cover more than 30% of the maximum recommended daily sugar intake, a lot of sugar for just 1 cup of coffee. If we consume 3 cups of products 3 or 4, we will have already reached our maximum sugar intake. Summary. For all 4 products in this category, the only positive aspects refer to how easy the nutrition list was to read. We will now summarize each product. Summary Product 1. The positive aspects of product number 1 are that the ingredients list and nutrition list are easy to read. It states without sugar, but some sugar is used for roasting beans, and perhaps there could be less sugar. Summary Product 2. Product number 2 has the lowest number of ingredients and also has an ingredients list and nutrition information that are easy to read. The better choice. Summary Product 3. As for the other products, the ingredients list and nutrition information are easy to read. On the negative side, though, we have a relatively high number of ingredients, it includes MSG and it has a high number of additives. 31% of recommended sugar intake is covered with just one serving. Summary Product 4. The only mentionable positive aspect is that the nutrition information is easy to read. This product is the most expensive, almost 10 times more than the other products. The ingredients list is almost impossible to read, it has the highest number of ingredients, a high number of additives, and 34% of the recommended sugar intake is covered with one serving. You are really paying a lot for 11 grams of sugar and some coffee. As a side note, you can buy a kilogram of sugar for 2 Malaysian ringgit. What do you think of our instant coffee? Convenience does not always have to be categorized as bad, but you need to be careful with what you are choosing. You really have to look into the details. Not only to save you money in the short term, but to prevent further damage to your health, which can be a sad and costly consequence.